Now, how are you coming together with the forward pack? Are you guys working together that well off the field and on the field as well?
Yeah, we've got our pull in here, so
Oh yeah, mate. It's a great feel in our forward pack. It's we've got some great experience and some great talent coming through. So it's a good mix, I think so. So we have a forward pack that probably can play through the middle, out wide. It's a very talented, I guess, mobile forward pack, I guess.
Thank you, Theodore. Over to you, my friend.
Joe, just a quick one about, obviously, as Tanny said before, you've won a World Cup with the All Blacks. Being in that squad, and obviously being here now with Manu Samoa, what's the vibe in camp like here? Are there any comparisons, or how does this feel compared to when you were in our camp with the All Blacks?
Yeah, I think it's very similar. Like where we're trying to get to is very similar. What we're trying to strive for as a team, and we as a team know what that is. We're heading in the right place. We've done things like in that game. We started a bit shaky, but then come second half, we were a lot more clinical. We saw opportunities that we wanted to attack before this game, and come second half, the boys really started to take those opportunities. So we're growing in the right places. We're taking a lot of confidence from that. Obviously, there's a big game this week against Argentina, but and we're confident we can get the job done.
How excited are you for the challenge in the front row against the Argentinian pack?
Yeah. It's always, they're obviously renowned for scrummaging, and I've been there and experienced that firsthand, so I know what to expect this weekend, especially with Montoya leading the pack. He's a big leader for them, so we're looking forward to that challenge as well. Obviously that's a game within another game, and it's a all part and parcel of rugby, so we're looking forward to it.
After.
Charlie, you moved from the All Blacks to the Manu Samoa. Now, I just heard Theo mentioning that you're the Pulenuku of the forward team. What is it like in the Manu Samoa squad, or what makes the Manu Samoa squad different, a little bit different from the All Blacks squad? Like how you mentioned before, that you have one focus, but culturally, what's the difference there?
I think it's just like obviously us being Samoan, there's something more deeper there. You're doing it for your family, your village. I think my parents probably got more excited when I told them I was playing for Samoa than I was playing the All Blacks, So it means a lot more. There's more things that we as a team do, like throughout the week, that reminds you of family, just with our locals, our singing, so there's a lot more connection there than I guess with the All Blacks.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now with the boys that you're mingling with, do you think we're ready to take on Argentina this weekend? Yeah,
definitely. I think the way we've been building, like there's no doubt it's going to be hard. And hard is good. It's hard means we're growing. But we're confident. Like we'll take the positives from the game against Chile, and there was plenty of things that we could improve on. So we'll just something we're looking forward to.
Obviously, your mum and dad will be watching, and what would you like to say in Samoa to them?
Just whakaia mo le kapuenga, whakaia mo la lofa, ka kalo mo kākou le ka le au. Hopefully we see each other soon. So.
No.
Hope.